Right on. There, I got one of the birds. Yeah. Let me go in a big circle. This is where I started, way down there. Okay. And that is south right there. You see the highway going east and west beyond it. Now this is east. I'm sorry. I got brain dead. This is north, and see, there's some more till you get to the end. I don't know if I'm going to go all that way or not. Oh, there's a hawk right there. Hope I got that in the film. In the digital, I mean. We always say in the film, but it's always in the digital. And this is the north view. Pretty. Right over there, I don't know if you can see the little area where the cars are at. That's where I started. Maybe that's quiet, huh? That's a weird plant. I hope I got it all. watch my step. Gotta watch my step or you're gonna see how a sooner flies. It's pretty hot up here. Get out on that rock, John. It's nice. Pretty. Oh my God, it's a miracle. I think they got the rest blocked off. Must be some dangerous areas back beyond there, but I'm just happy for this bench. Let me sit down. Said gloss means glass in German or something. I don't know. I'll have to review that tape and see. But it's pretty cool. Pretty cool story though. Yeah, it's like a damn desert out up here on top. Cactuses, desert flowers. I like these purple stickers. Gotta watch my step. Whew. I don't even want to put the camera out there. Oh, that is purple. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah. This one is. I haven't seen that one before. It's weird. It's like little sprinkles. I see two semis. Oh, there's a little lizard. See him? I don't know if you can see him or not. I'll try to get him. He's right on that rock. Can you see him? I'm not getting any closer. I don't know. They say when you climb up in elevations, it gets cooler, but not here. I mean, granted, it's not that high, but you climb up here, you got no shade, sun blaring down at you. Wow. But maybe it's just because it's gotten hot during the day, huh? Oh my God. I'm gonna walk on this. Look. There's a hole there and a hole there. I think it's safer now. If not, you'll have a first-hand video of it. Here we go. Does this look like mountain stuff? Doesn't look like mountain stuff to me. Maybe if you go down to the Oregon mountains, maybe, but not at the very top. I like that. Just I'm gonna pick some of this. That's that wild sage, I believe. It smells so good. I had to come out here and get a whole bunch of it and sell those sticks, huh? Those burning sticks. $10, homemade. Here's some nice ones, look. Pretty. This is also why I didn't want to bring my dog. I didn't want her running around. What if she would have saw one of those lizards and go chasing after it? I mean, you know, there's a big drop off right there. See that tree right there? That's the top of the tree. It's a big tree. Okay, onward ho. Ho. You know, I just went on one side. There's like 8 different paths up here. I have to come up here one early morning and then go to another area. But I've been busy.